Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, misfires, or sluggish acceleration? If your check engine light is on and your scan tool shows P0277, then your fuel injector circuit for cylinder 6 is experiencing a high voltage issue. This can lead to poor fuel delivery and serious engine performance problems. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down what P0277 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0277 is a fuel injector circuit high code for cylinder 6. This means the injector is receiving excess voltage causing improper fuel delivery, which can lead to engine misfires and performance issues. Common symptoms of P0277: check engine light on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and acceleration, increased fuel consumption, strong fuel smell from the exhaust, and hard starting or engine stalling. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe engine damage over time. To diagnose and fix P0277, check these key locations. Cylinder 6, fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor, usually found on the fuel rail, ensuring the right fuel pressure. Fuel injector wiring, harness runs between the ECU and the injectors. A short circuit here can cause high voltage issues. Engine control unit found in the engine bay or under the dashboard, controls the injector signals. Battery and alternator located in the engine bay. Overvoltage can affect the injectors. A problem in any of these components can trigger P0277. Alright, let's dive into diagnosing and fixing the P0277 code. First, let's talk about the common causes of P0277. 1. A faulty fuel injector. If the injector is stuck open, it may receive excessive voltage. 2. A wiring harness short circuit. A damaged or frayed wire can cause high voltage in the circuit. 3. A faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. It sends incorrect signals to the ECU, affecting injector voltage. 4. ECU malfunction. A failing engine control unit can mismanage the fuel injector voltage. And 5. Overcharging battery or alternator issues. Excess voltage supply can damage fuel injector circuits. Now let's move on to how you can fix the P0277 code. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 6. Replace it if needed. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor for faults. Step 3. Examine the injector wiring harness for short circuits or damaged wires. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator for overvoltage issues. Step 5. Scan the ECU software for errors and reset if necessary. And finally, Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take a test drive. P0277 is a serious issue that can lead to engine misfires, poor acceleration, and increased fuel consumption. Diagnosing it early will help avoid costly repairs down the road. Want to learn more about related injector issues? Watch these next videos. P0229, Fuel Pressure Regulator, 2 Performance. P0230, Fuel Pump Primary Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.